welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look. So if you like it, just keep on watching. We're first going to start off by priming the face. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Poreless Primer and my Marc Jacobs Primer. I'm going to put the Poreless Primer in my T-zone because that's where I have the most pores. And then I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs and put that all over the face. Make sure you guys really press this into the skin just so your foundation really clings onto it. Then I'm going to take my Hourglass foundation stick. I'm going to put some streaks on my face, but I'm also going to mix that with the Nars Radiant Longwearing foundation. This mixture, you guys, is amazing. It gives me the most full coverage ever because I am a full coverage kind of bitch, you know. But if you guys aren't into the full coverage, then don't do this technique. I'm then going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to put it under my eyes. I'm then going to take my Morphe Beauty Sponge and I'm going to blend that out. Remember, you guys, you want to bounce it. You don't want to rub it because it'll just rub away all that concealer. So you want to bounce, 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 bounce. Really blend that into the skin. And I also put the concealer on my eyes. You guys know, if you guys have watched all my videos, this is the way I prime my eyes. I'm then going to take my Cover FX translucent powder, my Ride or Die translucent powder, and I'm going to set that in. I don't bake with it because I'm very dry and it just clings to my dry patches, but I just put it on real quick and then I press it in. I also set my eyes with this to help so the makeup, the eyeshadow, couldn't talk today, really just blends out seamlessly. I'm going to take my Morphe Dare to Gray palette. I'm going to take these two transition shades right here. I'm going to mix them together and I'm going to put these into the crease. I'm then going to take this shade right here and I'm also going to put this into my crease as well on the same fluffy brush. Yes, you guys, you know they are all Morphe brushes. I love Morphe brushes. They are absolutely amazing. You want to blend from inner corner to outer corner and then go in circular motions to blend that upward. I'm then going to take this hot pink reddy shade and I'm going to mix it with this purple violet shade. And then I'm going to take that on an R39 Morphe brush and I'm going to put that lower in the crease because this shade can make your eyes get very messy very quickly. So you guys want to take your time when blending this out. I'm then going to take these two purple shades right here. I'm going to mix them together. I was just in the mixing mood today. I'm going to take down a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to pack the majority of that pigment on the outer corner. And then once I have less pigment on my brush, I'm going to blend it inward. This just makes it so you guys don't look like, you have a black eye, because nobody wants to look like that. When you work with purples and blacks and stuff, you can look like you have a black eye very quickly. So you want to be very careful and very, very slow when you do this, just so it doesn't get messy. And I'm sorry about the dogs. They're so annoying. And then I'm going to take that pink shade again, and I'm just going to blend out those harsh lines, because they were pretty harsh for me. I mean, it is makeup, so you can do whatever you want, but not for me. And then I'm going to take this shimmer shade. It's like a maroony, pinky shade. I'm going to put that on my lid. I did spray my brush with some Max Fix Plus. You know the drill. I'm then going to take those transition shades I used, and I'm just going to blend again, because I felt it was a little too harsh for me. So just, blend, blend, blend until you feel comfortable with the way it looks. Then I'm going to take my Morphe liner, and I'm going to put on my liner, and I also put on lashes. These are Huda Beauty eyelashes in number 7. They are Samantha. I'm then going to bronze my face with the Hoola bronzer. This is my tried and true. Makes me look bronzy and not so, pale like Edward Cullen from Twilight, because nobody wants to look like that. I'm a pale ass bitch, but I want to make people think I'm not. I also then did put on my brows, and now I'm just going to set them with the Anastasia Brow Gel. This is also my tried and true, can't live without. I'm going to take my stylish powder in the shade number 13. I'm going to put that in my inner corners and on my brow bone. This shade, you guys have to be super careful. It is super pigmented, and it can get very messy. So you have to just, be very careful and patient. I also use this as a highlight, as you guys all know, that it gives you that pop and highlight. And did you guys like that face? I know you did. I'm then going to take my Marc Jacobs blush, and I'm going to put a little blush on my face. Did you guys see that little mess up right there? Right in the corner, like right below my liner. I got a little messy with my blush. But I took some Cover FX and, fixed it up. That's the joys of makeup. I then took that purple shade and put it on my lower lash line, and then I'm going to take that transition shade and blend it out. I'm then going to take my Wet n Wild highlight, and I'm just going to highlight my face. This highlight, you guys, is unreal. I'm going to take my Kylie Jenner lipstick in Angel Cake. Yes, it is Angel Cake. It's a very nude lip, and just put that all over the lips. I did go in with the Anastasia gloss first, but I hated it. I'm then going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and set my face. This is my OG setting spray, and I've just been loving it lately. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, comment, like, hit that little notification bell down below so you guys can be updated when I put up new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.